Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to remove stock filters from lenses. Recently I had a Sigma 17 70mm lens which had a stock UV filter on it. Actually the lens was dropped and the UV filter was deformed, and because of that it couldn't be removed normally. So in this video I show you how to remove the stock UV filters. Actually you have three options when it comes to stock filters. The first one is to just leave it on the lens, which in my case wasn't possible because the thread of the UV filter was deformed and I couldn't use another filter on it. The second option is to try to use a special filter removal tool or a jar lid opener on the lens, but in my case it would damage the thread of the lens. So the third option is, well, let me show that to you. So this is the lens with the stock UV filter. As you can see, on the side of the UV filter there's a dent, so that makes the UV filter stuck, and I just cannot remove it. Of course I tried to remove it with a jar lid opener. So let me try it again. It's important to hold the lens at the first barrel. The first barrel which is the closest to the front lens. So there's a dent, and the UV filter just can't rotate. We will use a saw, or also you can use a grinder set to cut a little piece of the UV filter, but in my case I will use the saw to do that. So I am gonna cut the UV filter a little bit. I'm gonna cut the UV filter, but don't cut the lens. Later on I will show it. A little bit more. I can cut more. Just until it reaches the lens. So in the next step I will remove that dust from the lens, that metal dust. Clean it with the brush. most of the dust is gone, and now I'm gonna remove the glass from the UV filter. Actually, I have to break it, which I'm going to do. Okay, and now let's remove the small pieces. You have to be careful, don't push down the glass, because it can scratch the front lens element of the lens. When we are done, I will remove the small glass remains with the brush. And now I am going to remove a metal ring from the UV filter. Depending on the UV filter, you might not have that. So the next step is to bend the UV filter inwards. First I'm trying to use adjustable wrench. But it's not going real well. So I'm using pliers. You have to be careful. If the plier slips, then it can scratch the front lens element. So I'm gonna bend the UV filter inwards, and then I can remove that. Again, as you can see, I'm holding the lens by the last barrel, the barrel which is next to the front lens. Just a little bit more. And now I can rotate the UV filter. So we have successfully removed the UV filter. Now it's time to carefully clean the front lens. If maybe there are some metal parts, metal dust, or glass remains. I'm using a soft brush for that. And we are done. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you find it useful and informative, please click on the like button, subscribe on my channel, and watch my other videos. Also, donate by PayPal or Bitcoin if you wish. So thank you again, and see you next time in another video.